Hello everyone, Greg from Defoo. Welcome. Today we're focusing on network security, a critical component of any business's cybersecurity strategy. Your network is the gateway to your business data and operations, so keeping it secure should be a top priority. Let's start today with firewalls. A firewall acts as a barrier between your internal network and the outside world. Think of it as the gatekeeper that monitors incoming and outgoing traffic based on a set of rules you define. Most businesses use a combination of hardware firewalls, which are part of your network's infrastructure, and software firewalls installed on individual devices. It's essential to configure your firewall properly, blocking unnecessary ports and allowing only trusted traffic. Next up, virtual private networks. If your team works remotely or connects to the network from various locations, using a VPN is a must. A VPN creates an encrypted tunnel for your data, preventing outsiders from eavesdropping on sensitive information. For example, if you're working from a coffee shop using public Wi-Fi, a VPN ensures that any data you transmit stays secure. When selecting a VPN, look for one that uses strong encryption protocols like OpenVPN or IPsec and offers a no-log policy to further protect your privacy. Next, intrusion detection systems. An IDS monitors network traffic for suspicious activities or known threats. Unlike firewalls, which prevent unauthorized access, an IDS identifies potential security breaches within the network, allowing you to respond quickly. Some advanced systems even offer intrusion prevention capabilities, automatically blocking malicious activity as soon as it's detected. Another key practice is network segmentation. By dividing your network into smaller segments, you can limit access to sensitive areas and reduce the potential impact of a security breach. For example, separating your guest Wi-Fi network from your internal network ensures that visitors can't access company resources. Similarly, placing critical servers in a separate secure network segment minimizes the risk of exposure in the case of a breach. Lastly, always secure your Wi-Fi networks. Use strong encryption like WPA3 and change the default network names and passwords to something unique. Limit the number of devices allowed to connect and consider using a separate Wi-Fi network for guests to keep your main network secure. Implementing these network security measures will help you build a strong defense against cyber threats. If you want to ensure you see these daily videos throughout the month of October, then head over to our LinkedIn page and give us a follow, and to our YouTube channel and give us a subscribe. Tomorrow, we'll discuss the importance of data backup and recovery. Stay tuned and stay secure.